Hey, welcome back to Whitetail Garage. This time, we're not going to be working on the Mustang. We're going to be working on the Navigator. So the Navigator's doing that blend door issue that as you can hear. So we'll take apart the console. So I've never done one of these before, but it'll be my first time messing with it. I think from what I've read online, it's behind the navigation screen, behind the radio, if you will. So I'm going to start with just getting all the center console out and, center console and all of this out of the way so I can see if I can see which blend door is causing the problem. Well, it's not that blend door. So you've got one blend door motor right here. And that's definitely not the one clicking. It's further down, deeper into the dash. So I believe it's that one up, way up there. Take this off next and see if that gets me any more access. Okay, so got it out of there. It was basically straight back in there. If you go all the way under, you can see where it bolts in right there. It was real easy to unbolt the accelerator pedal from the firewall. And then that made it real simple to gain access to it. So there it is. Let's take a look inside. You can take these tabs off all the way around on these and look inside and see if you've got chipped or broken gears. Yeah, right there. Can you make that out? Missing a tooth there. Alright, so to gain access to the one I needed to get to, I've had to replace that one before in a different truck that was an Expedition. Those are pretty easy. You just remove this top piece, this top panel, which just pops out. I had to unfortunately replace the one that you can't even see that's down there. I'll show you once I get the new one installed, but you have to kind of pull this panel out. It was just enough for me to pop this top out, pull the panel out, and then pull the cup holder out. That was enough to get it out. Let's see if that's enough for it to go back in. Alright, so there's that one installed. And again, with the cup holder out, you can kind of gain easier access into this. Right there. Right here in the driver's side footwell. There you can see where that one was. I just replaced it. It's got the green dot on it there. I didn't even have to take this off. It made it easy to set the light up, but it didn't even need to come off. So let's test it, see if we hear any clicking. All right, installed those two. I've tested them. They're not clicking. Everything looks good. So I guess it was just the sensor that's inside them. Those tend to go bad, and then it just keeps on going one direction, and that's when it clicks and eventually breaks a gear. But replace both of those. Call it done. Both the rear and front ACs are solved. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.